Hi everyone! Many of you ask me what do you learn in a 3D printing class and what you can do after taking the course. In the 3D printing class, you mainly learn three things. 1. Expressing your idea using a 3D CAD software. Firstly, participants will learn to use the Tinkercad software to build their model. The CAD software is based on constructive solid geometry, which allows users to create basic and complex models by combining simpler objects together. 2. Using a slicing software. Before we send the file for printing, we would have to use the slicing software first to convert the object model file into instructions for the 3D printer. It's called slicing because it slices the object so that the printer can print layer by layer. 3. Hands-on operating a 3D printer. Participants will be able to experience how to use the 3D printer to print their model, and they will learn different types of filaments that can be used on the 3D printer. At the end of the day, every participant will bring home a model that they created. How does learning 3D printing help you to find a new job? Firstly, the ability to adapt and learn new technologies shows that you are not afraid to learn new skill sets. Employers like to employ staff who are willing to learn and make changes. Make sure you post your certificate into LinkedIn or your profile after attending the course. Next, mass customization. 3D printing allows you to customize your product to suit your customers' needs. You can print different designs of signages and unique file ports, window frame profiles, and even props for costume. There's no limitation to mass customization. For example, we don't have a lockout device for the 3-point plugs in the market. So, I have customized a design for it. I can even sell it and I don't need to keep stock. The lockout device is customizable. I can also use different colors for it. There are different types of job roles in 3D printing. For example, production assistant and engineers, research analysts, business development, marketing and sales jobs in 3D printing. I hope by understanding 3D printing and able to operate a 3D printers, you can create your own job by helping others to solve their problem. Let's get started. Expand our mind and learn 3D printing.